In this video, we're traveling up to northern Indiana, see if we can't time the fall run. This is where the trout and salmon start to flood through the tributaries of Lake Michigan, and hopefully provides an excellent opportunity for us Hoosiers to catch some of the best fish that this state can offer. There is one problem though. We've been going through a severe drought, so the conditions have been a little bit tricky. Both forecast of rain throughout the week. We do expect these water levels to go up, which should be able to give that push those trout and salmon need to be able to flow through the tributaries. So we better suit up, gear down, and take a strategic approach in order to be able to catch some of those majestic monsters of the north. So stay tuned, because this could be a tough one. Ultra late start today. That doesn't matter because we're going to get on this evening bite, and I've only caught one salmon in my life anyways.
First one. Oh, come on.
I think that was a baby salmon, dude.
Oh, I got him. That is, oh, look, a little.
It's not like it really matters. I'm not a pro. I think I do recognize their pattern and I understand what's going on. Me and my friend over here, we're getting loaded up right now. Hopefully we're going to be able to target them out, scout where they are, and catch a lot of fish. So here we go. We just came back from, you see it, the Big W. You see that stuff right there? That is the golden ticket. That is what is going to get us some steelhead, salmon, trout, whatever the heck's going to bite out there. Probably going to do it. So the first place I decided to go was just like 3 miles away or so, maybe a couple miles away from the lake. And I just wanted to peek it out down here around these log jams and stuff. And of course I got the old panda martin. It's the panther martin, but right there we get a little spot, I think, right there on that green and silver. Cute little guy, but man, they're just fingerlings around here. We made it to the spot. It's pretty infamous. If people see this, they're gonna know exactly where we are. We're darn certain. Oh, I can't grab them. Come on, baby. Come on. No, there we go. Hopefully we catch some good old salmonoids today. First I gotta catch my latch here. Where is it? All right, get these tied up and then we're gonna start heading our way out there. I just saw one bust up. That's a good sign, coming down here like a freaking Kyle with my monster in hand. That's my feel to get on some of these salmonoids. Oh man.
Seats are dude. A couple of wood.
Think there's a chance? It seems like people think there's a chance.
Yeah, I don't agree with that.
Think there might be?
There might be one right there.
Oh shoot. Think?
I might move further up though. You see anything in here?
Little ones.
Yeah, I think we should move up.
Yeah. Oh no, there he is. He's right. There's two of them. There's one right there, and there's one right there.
Here it is. There's one right there, bro.
Let's try it. The Top Strike inline spinner. Got it rigged up with a Shaw Grigsby drop shot hook. We're gonna see about that today. Better pull out the secret ingredient. Oh, you already got it open. Heck yeah. A little piece of that on the end.
There's a couple of them in there, dude. I seen them.
Yeah, he's still there. I see him right now.
Get them, dude. I want to go up here a little bit.
We slide along the creek and scout from the trail. We're looking for movement on the inside of the seams, under log jams, or any dark spots. We're trying to spot fish, line up an angle, and send a spinner just past their face.
I just caught a coho fingerling.
With the confidence raised after getting a small win, the next cast the rod loads up, so I knew it was a big fish. Most likely a king, but there was just one problem
He's
though.
snagged. I can't keep him. Gosh.
You can fight them.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
When it surfaced, my heart started to sink because I realized I didn't get this king the way I wanted
That's
to.
a single hook too. I don't know how I did that. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. What is this? Is this a king?
Yeah, you got one.
Yeah, but not the way I wanted. Ah. That's sad though.
Yeah,
That is
bro.
a big fish, but yeah, we got to release him. We better get him down on the water. Where did I accidentally get him at?
On the back.
Right in the back?
He's in the back.
Did he already shake it? I think he shook it.
I finally got that king I was looking for,
Yeah.
but unfortunately I had the wrong hook up. It was foul hooked, and by the rules,
I like to hold him, but I didn't catch him the right way.
that meant
There he
an
is.
immediate release.
Oh, there he goes.
But that's the game
You wanna
out
make it,
here.
buddy? Sorry about that. I can see that with a treble, but Just a single. I put it ahead of him to get it by him, and then he went for it.
He meant to ride it. He just missed. Pretty crazy fish, isn't it?
Dude, that was nice. That was the most nuts thing ever. There's a couple coho back here, though. Yeah, he ain't gonna do it. Oh, that was a coho. Dang it. Does it get good? See anything? Yeah, they really are. You don't see them unless they're moving.
Watch your step right here.
It's a doozy right there. Ooh, yeah, it is a doozy. That is sketchy. Ugh. I feel like I saw a couple tails, maybe. I don't know. But we're getting the recipe for success. The inline spinner draws them in, and the shrimp keeps them paying attention. We're gonna see if that's the case. Oh,
Hit it?
Yeah. The camera might have caught that. I think it was a small steelhead.
There's one right there. I see him. I saw him come out.
Yeah, they're coming out.
I see him, dude.
They're
He's
stacked
right
in there.
You see that? You see that spot?
Yeah. Get him, dude. I'm trying to figure out how to get these guys. Oh, dang it. I just got hit. I just got hit back there. Man, there's something in there. Heck yeah. What we got down under them logs? Let it sink. Pull it through. He's not too bad. That's a little coho too, I think. Oh, that one guy said fork tail. Sorry. Little coho. Getting closer to a keeper out here in this log jam here. Just get your little spinner out with your shrimp trailer. Let it go down below those logs and finesse it up. That's how I found my success anyway. Just something so simple. Inline spinner, common for catching all kinds of fish, with just a single hook on there, the Shaw Grigsby, and your $5 Walmart shrimp. Just hook it there on the end. The spinner will attract them, and the shrimp will keep them on. And I've just been hitting a lot of these log jams, a lot of these salmon and trout, from what I've noticed. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I've been hiding right underneath these logs and the deepest, darkest spots in this little creek. And if you can get this right by them, like you can let it drift right underneath that log and they just come out and poke at it. They're almost like piranhas, really. As soon as they get a little bit away from it, a lot of them go back. You'll get some like little fingerlings that want to chase it back, but if they're any type of size, they won't come too far from this log jam, from observation anyway. Just a real slow retrieve, and sometimes they go for it, sometimes they don't. Come on, right? Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, got one. Ah, dang it. Little fingerling. Wow, that's the smallest one. Gosh dang it. Well,
It's not too bad.
man, yeah, they really go for it. What is this one?
What is he?
That is that another coho? Yeah, it's got a forked caudal. Is that what they are? All right, you're gonna let me get, yeah, so I don't get all your slime coat off, buddy. There you go, another coho. Cool deal. I wish they were a little bit bigger.
Oh, dude, I see him.
But hey, I'm happy, dude.
There's a couple up in there.
This is plenty. No, it's not plenty. I need a big one caught completely legal, not foul hooked. Yeah, I thought having a single hook here would mitigate all foul play, but apparently they can still get hooked. I'm no professional by any means, and please talk to your local fishing lawyers about any legal advice, but using a gosh darn spinning bait with a, oh shoot, there we go. That's a good one.
Is that another one?
Another one, little guy. Yeah, we're just gonna bring it right on through, let it get towards the bottom. They seem to hit it the most when it's towards the bottom. Yeah, look, another one. That's a good one. Ah, he came off. Bless it. Man, they're super hungry out here, aren't they? Figured it'd be hard to catch them, but they are driving towards it. I might have caught enough of them. They're getting a whiff of it.
There was lots of life, but not much weight.
Not getting any more hits.
The smolt were telling us where, and the cadence were telling us how. We knew we had to slow the blade, feed the seam, and pick the pocket with patience.
This spot looks like it could have a fish. Let's see what's out here. Oh, I think we're gonna get one. Oh, they don't come? Alright. I see that. They don't come too far away from the black spot, do they? They don't drive too far away. Oh, that was a good hit. That was a good hit, guys. Dang it. Should have capitalized on that. Oh. Oh. Oh, got him. All right. Got him. That's not a bad one. Little guy. Little coho again. That's a little bit past fingerling. That's like right medium size. Like not even medium. Like, is his tail straight? Yeah, no, he's got a fork.
Dude.
Yeah, those single hooks don't do too bad.
I think that's what we needed.
Here we are. Little guy, gotta get back in. You got it? You gonna be able to swim? Alright, there he is. He's swimming back off. He's good to go. Oh wow, he gets a little deep, huh? Those pockets are a little bit deeper than I thought. There we are, coming down these channels. We're close to the sand dunes. The Lake Michigan's right over yonder, about 5.5, 6 miles. Yeah, we got all this sand, this fresh water. Oh, look at this. There could be a spot here.
Oh, caught a salmon.
There you go. Yeah, Jason caught a salmon. Little Samsky. Is it a salmon? Yeah, that's salmon. Got himself a little salmon. Oh, one just jumped. Little guy. Starting to get pretty dark out here in these parts, but wanted you to get a good look at this. I did get that king I was looking for, even though I accidentally foul hooked him, so I had to release him.
The numbers came easy, but the size didn't. Most of what we caught were smolt, which is perfect for scouting. They mark the travel lanes, the inside seams, shade pockets, and the soft edges below the log jams. From here, we try to upsize the plan with longer hangs in the strike zone, slower presentation, and with the much needed rain that flooded through the creeks, we knew that scent was going to play a major factor. So we geared up one more time to try to catch that elusive giant.
Steelhead.
We want bigger ones than that, don't we?
Yeah, we want bigger than that.
Same creek, different technique.
Crap, that's a creek chub, boy.
After another attempt to what we thought was turning into micro fishing, it finally happened. Well, kind of.
Holy crap.
I got it. Walk him over this way.
Oh. Ah, dang it. Dang it. On a shrimp?
On a shrimp.
Ah,
Red horse sucker, bro.
red horse. Man, that looks so steelheady there for a second.
Yeah. They roll
Those
and
colors.
everything.
My goodness gracious.
I expect either one of you to do the same for me.
I was gonna grab the net for anybody. All right, sucker. Man. As much as the inline spinner is working, the thing that's actually getting all the bites right now is, well, it's not shrimp. The real star of the show and why we weren't catching anything the first few days was you gotta have that mustache. We're working on the bobber downs right now. Little size 6 drop shot hook, and we're just using slip bobber, pegged up no more than 2 to 3 feet right here through this little stream. And we switched from just using spinners and any kind of lure to some kind of recipe and some preservatives and put it in a little spawn sack. That's just a little shout out to the Lake in the Woods Outdoors. So whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Whatever he did to cure those eggs was certainly the golden ticket, because just in the nick of time, right at sunset, the moment we had all strived so hard to achieve had finally arrived.
Yeah, brother.
Holy smokes. Oh, look at him thrashing. Holy crap. Yeah, that's the ticket, man. That thing is huge. What? Dude, I am like shaking like a leaf, man. Oh, don't roll it. Don't roll. Oh, he's coming up. Ah, dang it. Oh my God, dude. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Holy crap. All right there.
You got a good hook there. You got a good hook.
No. Is he in? Holy crap, dude. No freaking way.
What's the fish, brother? Bro, that's a pretty fish, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Oh.
That's what it's all about, bro. Dude, thank you. You're welcome. I'm glad I can get this guy up. Oh my God.
Walton RCT. All right, we're good.
That's his first steelhead.
Crap, dude. Holy mackerel. Well, steelhead, but I know northern Indiana isn't the first place you think of when it comes to trout and salmon, but this creek proved that it could be a real winner. And if you want to know the rigs that I use in this video, I will leave some links down in the description. And I really think the algorithm's cooking up some bangers for you to watch right here or right here. But until next time, this is Zach. Keep it real.